Good morning students, welcome to the online class for Standard UKG, and today we'll have a revision of EVS. As you know, the exams are near, so we'll have a quick recap of the things which we have already read. And the portion for EVS is things we see in the sky, domestic and wild animals, and food we eat and drink. So let's see what we have to do today. So wild animals. Wild animals are those animals which we find in the forest, in the jungle. So you can see the picture of these animals here. There is a fox, F-O-X, fox. Then kangaroo. And then this is wolf. Then tiger, T-I-G-E-R. And then you can see the leopard. And then cheetah. Do you know that cheetah is the fastest animal? It can run very fast. And then the deer, then lion, then bison, and there is hippopotamus, then zebra, rhinoceros, and then bear, elephant, giraffe. So these are wild animals. We find them in the forest. And then there are some animals which we find in our house or near our house. So who they are, let's see. There is rabbit, dog, cow, and then you can see the birds also. There are some birds given here. So goose, turkey, goat, hen, sheep, pigeon, horse, donkey, camel, cat. So these are the domestic animals. So you see them. Can you tell which animals you see in and around your house? Cow, buffalo, isn't it? You see the buffalo also. You see cow, then the dogs. We give food to the dog, and there is cat, and you can see the goat also. Sheep, isn't it? Donkey, and then horse also. So we see them in and around our near our houses. So they are called domestic animals. So now let's come to the food. Food, we eat food to keep ourselves healthy, isn't it? There are so many things which we eat. Some are fruits and some are vegetables. So there are some pictures given here. You have to write down F or V. If it is fruit, you will write down F, and if it is vegetable, you will write down V. So just tell me quickly what they are. So you have already done this. So we can take some example from here. Then potatoes. Potato is a F, fruit or vegetable? It's vegetable. And then you can see banana, fruit. Cabbage, the green color cabbage, it's your vegetable. Mango, M for mango, it's your fruit. Apples, fruit. Onion, vegetable. And then the brinjal, the purple color brinjal, so it is your vegetable. And the watermelon, it's your fruit. So there are some fruits we eat and vegetables also we eat to keep ourselves healthy. And then let's see, there are some healthy food and fast food, or the junk food they are called. So which one is good for our health? These green things, no, vegetables and fruits, they are called healthy food and we should eat them. And there are some fast food or junk food, we should avoid them. We should eat them in very less quantity. We should not eat them always, like your burger, then pizza, then your ice creams, chips, then your tea, coffee, and then those cold drinks. Okay, so they are not good for our health. We should eat or drink them in very limited amount. So we should not eat them always, but we should eat the vegetables and fruits always. They are good, will become strong. But the fast food or the junk food, they should be avoided. Like your burger, pizza, chips, that Lays and Kurkure you eat, isn't it? You should not eat it every time. The chocolates also not very good for health. Sometimes you should eat, but not always. And then cold drinks, that is also bad for our health. So these are healthy food and these are junk food. So can you tell that carrot and the vegetables, they are apple, and you can see the corn, they are good for our health, they are healthy. So next you see there are different food items that we eat raw and we don't cook them. And there are some items we can't eat them raw. We have to cook them. So let's see. Fruits, we eat them raw. Vegetables, we cook them. Salad, we eat it without cooking. So we eat it raw. And dal, can you eat the dal raw? No, we have to cook it. We have to boil it in the water and then we have to cook it. Chapati, we have to cook. Rice, we have to cook. And then eggs. Eggs are healthy. So they are good for our health. So, but we can't eat it raw, isn't it? So we have to boil it. We have to cook it. So there are some food items which we cook and there are some which we eat raw without cooking. So fruits, salad, so they are eaten raw. And dal, chapati, eggs, rice, vegetables, they are cooked and we eat them. And the last one is your things in the sky. So you see in the sky in the daytime, what things you can see? You can see the sun, and then clouds and rainbow, and at night we can see the moon, the stars and shooting stars also sometimes. So these are the things in the sky. So when you look up above in the sky, what the things we see? We see the sun, we see the stars, we see the planets, we see the moon, there is cloud, there is rain and the rainbow, beautiful rainbow. So these are the things in the sky. So dear students, what you have to do, you have to revise all these things and we can have a recap or revision of all the things which we have taught earlier in the videos. And also you will see your book. So all these things are there in the book. You will revise your books also. And all the best for your exam. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.